my learnings about Kathy Ireland. She's a mompreneur, she's a wife, she's got lots of businesses in all types of categories of jewelry, fashion, clothing, furniture. She's going into the
Hello, we're here at the World Market Center in Las Vegas, Nevada. We were invited by Kathy Ireland and her group to meet and greet here today. So we're excited to network and meet other Instagrammers and of course meet Kathy Ireland, one of my idols. I used to work out to her videos. Nice. We're excited.
Yeah. So here's Kathy Ireland. She is coming on in. I think she has her bodyguards or personnel support staff here, so that's pretty cool. Awesomeness. Hello.
Welcome to the Las Vegas Furniture Market.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting us.
Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Shane. Nice to meet you.
Kathy, nice to
Hi,
meet you.
Lance. Nice to meet you.
Lance, great meeting you. Hi.
Bye.
Kathy, nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Lisa. My other plan. So nice to meet you. I used to work out.
Sorry.
Hey, how are you?
Great.
Thank you. I'll be with you for the next 2 days.
Alright, we're just doing a meet and greet here so far. So far, so good.
Exciting.
Trying not to melt out here, but it's cool. It comes with the territory.
Yeah. All the girls melting their makeup and
Right.
hair and all that, but it's all worth it.
That's right. Malie's just getting some footage as well. How do you feel, Malie, after meeting the woman that you used to work out too?
Years ago, but yeah, it's very cool. I'm excited to talk to her more and have lunch and network with everyone. So.
And we got some pictures too after lunch.
More pictures, yeah. Definitely gonna have to get my workout picture with Kathy Ireland.
That's right.
And she said I look good. So.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Here we go. We're just mixing and mingling here. Alright, so we're walking inside to the World Market Center. Hello! Here's all the other influencers that are doing their thing too. So we're just moving from melting to food soon. And yeah, that's how we roll. Got Malie chatting it up with Kathy right there. Awesomeness. It's cool. We are at the World Market and just hanging out, and Kathy Ireland actually sent a DM in my Instagram, and we were just walking to get registered as well. We have Malie here. Boom.
Yeah, just walking along with Kathy Ireland. That was definitely a highlight of my time here.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Just kidding. Okay, so we'll go around. It's all the same? Okay. Okay, thank you. Alright, so just a little bit about Kathy. She's an entrepreneur. She's developed lots of different jewelry, clothing lines. She's a mom, she's a wife, she's an previous actress, so she's definitely very accomplished. Her companies have developed and sold over $1 billion worth of sales, so she's definitely doing big things, and so we get to just hang out and chat and get to know her and kind of glean some best practices and maybe just learn from her. So here we go. We're gonna get registered though. Alright, we in here, World Market, first time in, and we're on floor 16. We're going to where all the influencers are. Apparently, it says there will be room C1601. It's black room, and there'll be lasers and music. Oh snap. Hey, there's a dog. Alright, here we go. There's Kathy Ireland right there. She's on the elevators as well, so if you don't know what she looks like, here you go. Boom. We're gonna open up. Michael Amini, Kathy Ireland. There you go. Alright, we in here, we got furniture that looks cool. This is like a very beautiful furniture designer, furniture buyer, furniture supplier's dream. Oh, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's gonna happen, y'all. It's happening. It's going down. We got a speaker right there. Yeah. Alright, here we go. This is cool. Hi. This is cool. Alright, lots of beautiful beautiful furniture to have for your home, for anything in your life. It's pretty amazing. Beautifulness. All these influencers doing their thing, connecting, networking, all the DMs going out and the follows and the likes. Here we go. Alright, we're in Michael Amini's showroom here. You can see we have lots of people taking pictures, influencers doing their thing. We're just following Kathy to kind of see how she's checking all the furniture. This is very luxurious. You can see it's very upscale furniture. She's partnered with him in this showroom, and we are just, you know, connecting, networking, doing our thing. And yeah, it's pretty awesome, and I feel very honored and awesomeness. There's a picture of her partnership with Michael Amini right there. Kathy Ireland, Michael Amini, Kathy Ireland. Boom. All right, so I am here at the Kathy Ireland showroom, Michael Amini's, and just wanted to kind of give my initial impressions of kind of what's going on. Well, she's doing a commercial. She is doing her thing and definitely sharing some of her brands. There's an oxygen water she has. She's got a lot of businesses, and she's very diversified, and it's really cool to be a part of that. Just grateful that I got the invite. Grateful that I am a part of, you know, the Las Vegas community, and it's really cool that they reached out and I was able to come to this event. And yeah, I'm just meeting some really cool folks too, some Vegas influencers and people that are from other states and countries as well. So yeah, it's really cool when you get to do what you love and help people and just connect with others. And yeah, I just feel really honored. And this is the first time I've been in the World Market Center as well. It's very beautiful. You can kind of see in the background, there's so much stuff going on and lots of people buying furniture. It's basically like a wholesaler furniture's dream place. And there's just so much going on, and it's really awesome. And so yeah, so a lot of the furniture places that you know that are like big box retailers, they get their furniture probably from here in Vegas, or they get it from another location that's very similar. So yeah, it's pretty much all that. And yeah, we'll continue with all the amazingness here too. We are waiting for the elevator, doing our thing, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright, we're in a lamp store now. We are looking at some of the lamps and Kathy do her thing. She's getting some photo ops as well, which is really cool. Yeah.
Pacific Coastal Lighting is the name of the showroom. So yeah, lots of lighting going on in here.
Yeah.
Lots of lamps.
Everyone need to help yourself to some lunch.
Oh, okay, cool, thank you. Alright, we're gonna eat lunch.
Lunch is in here.
Yeah.
The buffet. Thank you so much.
Awesome, thanks. Appreciate it. Yes.
Thanks, man. I'll get you some beds, yeah.
Awesome. Alright, we're finishing up the Kathy Ireland events. Special thanks to Malie for being one of my influencer guests, as well as the influencer herself. She's a mompreneur doing big things too. Yeah, my learnings about Kathy Ireland, she's a mompreneur, she's a wife, she's got lots of businesses in all types of categories of jewelry, fashion, clothing, furniture. She's going into the CBD industry as well with regards to hemp, and she's got some other things going on too. So yeah, it's really cool to see a woman who has done what she's passionate about and leveraged her acting and past fame to build more businesses and do well for herself. So it was cool to kind of be in her presence and take pictures. So who knows what other opportunities come from social media. You never know who's gonna reach out to you or connect, or that's why I'm just passionate about developing content all the time, because you never know who's gonna see value in it. But other than that, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Hit like if you got some value out of today's video, and check out the links in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!